Ever feel like your business operations are a tangled web, with data scattered across spreadsheets and different software that don't talk to each other? You're not alone. Many growing businesses reach a point where their initial systems just can't keep up, leading to inefficiencies, errors, and a whole lot of frustration. Imagine trying to piece together a complete picture of your company's health when your sales team uses one platform, your accounting another, and your inventory management is still living in a series of ever-expanding spreadsheets. Sound familiar? This is where enterprise resource planning, or ERP systems, come into play. Think of an ERP system as a central nervous system for your business, integrating all your core processes into a single, unified platform. And today, we're diving deep into one of the leading players in the ERP space, NetSuite. Now, NetSuite isn't just one giant piece of software. It's actually a suite of interconnected modules, each designed to handle specific aspects of your business. These modules work together seamlessly, sharing data and providing a holistic view of your operations. Understanding these modules is key to unlocking the full potential of NetSuite and transforming the way your business operates. So, what are these essential building blocks of NetSuite? Let's explore some of the core modules that power businesses across various industries. First up, we have NetSuite Financial Management. This is often considered the heart of any ERP system, and NetSuite's financial management module is robust and comprehensive. It handles everything from your general ledger, accounts payable and receivable, to fixed asset management, budgeting, and forecasting. Imagine having real-time visibility into your financial performance, being able to generate detailed reports with a few clicks, and streamlining your entire accounting process. This module empowers you to make informed financial decisions and maintain a healthy bottom line. Closely linked to financials is NetSuite CRM, or Customer Relationship Management. In today's competitive landscape, understanding and nurturing your customer relationships is paramount. NetSuite CRM provides a 360-degree view of your customers, tracking every interaction from initial contact to post-sales support. It includes features for Salesforce automation, marketing automation, and customer service management. This means your sales team can manage leads effectively, your marketing campaigns can be targeted and measured, and your customer service can be proactive and efficient, all within the same platform. Next, let's talk about NetSuite Supply Chain Management. For businesses that deal with physical products, managing the supply chain efficiently is critical. This module encompasses everything from inventory management, order management, and procurement to warehouse management and manufacturing. Imagine having complete visibility into your inventory levels, optimizing your purchasing processes to avoid stockouts or overstocking, and streamlining your order fulfillment process to ensure timely delivery to your customers. NetSuite Supply Chain Management helps you optimize your operations, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Another crucial module is NetSuite Human Capital Management, or HCM. Your employees are your most valuable asset, and managing them effectively is essential for success. The HCM module covers areas like human resources, payroll, benefits administration, and talent management. Imagine streamlining your HR processes, accurately processing payroll, and providing your employees with self-service access to important information. This module helps you attract, retain, and empower your workforce. For businesses that rely on projects, NetSuite Project Management offers a comprehensive solution for planning, executing, and tracking projects. This module includes features for project budgeting, resource allocation, time and expense tracking, and project accounting. Imagine having a clear overview of all your projects, managing resources efficiently, and accurately tracking project profitability. This module helps you deliver projects on time and within budget. Beyond these core modules, NetSuite offers a range of other specialized modules to cater to specific industry needs. For instance, there's NetSuite Advanced Revenue Management for businesses with complex revenue recognition requirements, NetSuite Suite Commerce for building and managing e-commerce websites, and various industry-specific solutions for sectors like manufacturing, retail, and software. The beauty of NetSuite lies in its modularity and its ability to scale with your business. You can start with the modules that are most critical for your current needs and then add more as your business grows and evolves. Because all these modules are integrated within a single platform, Data flows seamlessly between them, eliminating silos and providing a unified view of your entire organization. This integration leads to improved efficiency, better decision-making, and ultimately greater profitability. Think back to that tangled web we talked about at the beginning. NetSuite essentially untangles that web, providing a clear and organized structure for your business operations. It empowers you with real-time data, automates key processes, and provides the insights you need to drive growth and success. Choosing the right NetSuite modules for your business is a crucial step in this transformation, and understanding the capabilities of each module is the first step in making that informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.